What is the spirit world like? Sensitive people who have glimpsed the world of the beyond say that it is a world very similar to ours, but it has neither time nor space as we think. It exists in a higher dimension of energy and, in its higher realms, it is a world of inexpressible beauty. It is a world in which it is possible to be fully alive, where, for example, the whole body perceives. It is a world of infinite possibilities for creativity and full self-realization, and it is a world in which God's love is like the air we breathe. Just as air is the atmosphere on earth, God's love is the atmosphere in the spirit world. This is clearly when it comes to God's created levels and for those destined to live in those levels. Unfortunately, with the fall in the existence of Satan, very low and infernal levels have been created, and all this beauty and vivacity of the spirit interaction there does not exist or is possible. The spiritual body can travel with thought waves. Therefore, if you think of a person and a place, you can be immediately transported there. Communication also takes place through thought. In addition, one is free from the restrictions of the physical body. Eating, for example, is possible but not necessary to maintain the physical body. In the spiritual world, one realizes that life on earth, like life in the womb, was a preparation for a fuller, freer and richer eternal existence. And it is important to live life on earth well, therefore, together with God and fulfilling the purpose of creation intended by Him, so that we can reach a level of spiritual growth to live in His kingdom. For as Jesus said in Matthew 18:18, "Whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven." It is not God or Satan who determine our destination in heaven or hell. Everyone goes to a position in the spiritual world corresponding to the stage of development his spirit has reached on earth. God, the Messiah and religion can only teach men how to avoid hell and show the way to the kingdom of heaven. Whether or not a man transposes and practices the teachings of God and religion, is the responsibility of each individual.